Alright, so we are on Wire Road. We have a stretch that is roughly 1.5 kilometers or so. So we have a signal strength of, what is that, 59%.
It's been about an average of 55, 60.
And just to show we're still here, at least 1 kilometer away.
Okay, so right now the antenna is not pointed at my partners that's in this project. They're walking away from the antenna, and we had the threshold set at 90%. So when we get out of range, the antenna should start pointing into their direction. And as you can see, they're moving out onto the field right now. Yep, there it goes. Here it goes, and that's them right out there.
Here you can see our client software with our threshold set at 50% and our signal strength fluctuating between 60 and 80. It drops below 50% here and then begins transmitting. Once it rises back above 50%, the transmission stops. Here again is our client software, and you'll notice that the signal strength just dropped below our threshold of 50% to 25. You'll also notice that it has begun transmitting, but the signal strength is still at 25%. We've implemented a timeout feature so that when the signal strength does not improve to the threshold minimum, it will continue to transmit for a given period of time, and then once it reaches that time, it will pause the transmission, wait for 1 minute, and then lower the threshold by 5% and re-begin the transmission. And you can see here that the transmission just stopped.
Okay, we are on the opposite end of the road, about 1.2 kilometers away from the base station, and we just got done running a speed test here.
This is the speed test that Alan was referring to. We're using a utility called Land Speed Test, and you can see that we're connected to Brandon's laptop and are accessing a folder on Alex's laptop. So it just completed the write or upload phase of the test, and it was able to complete that at 14.5 megabits per second. It will now download the same file after clearing the cache from Alex's computer and give us the speed that it was able to do that at. And you can see that it was able to do that at 12 megabits per second.